A lion that over there, someone.
And I've got here we are going down to Rufus right now, man.
Where they on line? Everything good?
Yeah, man, lion there, man. Where are going, man?
Boy, me there no man. Where you go look so, brother?
Nah, man, a town.
Man look like garbage, man. Look on this.
A road boy thing, man. You think you can go town and look like
People,
road
look
boy?
on the man, look.
A road boy
Nothing
thing,
not
man,
organized.
man.
Look
You
on the...
can't go town and look like road boy.
Brother, what kind of pants that, man? You see the pants, they look like you can hold 5 of you, brother.
A road boy thing, man, I deal with, man. One up, one down, diamond socks settings, man. A boy have got to tell me where going down to Rufus to, you know.
Who get them clocks to? What kind of clocks that you have on feet you talk
I
about?
sample this, man. Them
man,
thing
yeah.
on the pan local ground, man. A lion first I put it pan ground, man. How are you, man? A road boy thing lion I deal with right now. I defend me, I got defend things, man. Guy know that. Guy Sam Ratchet all job them, man. A guy for know that, man. Them
man
warm
people.
in a lion head hot you know in a
Them
road
man, you
boy.
know not about dressing. Yo, lion, so where you do a town? Where you do a town?
Nah,
look, so?
man, hey. More time you can't get no news straight from nobody them days, man. Everybody I tell you a different thing, you know.
Where you talk
Everybody I
about?
tell you a different thing. I want to know where going with my uncle, you know, Uncle Rufus, you know. Yeah? Put on all my bag here, some man. I wait for 2 brothers bus right here now, you know.
What going on Uncle Rufus? You never sick the other day, man. What going with him?
Sunbeam, come have to reach a town to the road, boy.
Hey, so what going with Uncle Rufus, man?
Nah, man, some news me I hear, man, but nobody now give me no straight story. One of my auntie called from foreign, man, I say, him deceased. Uncle Rufus for deceased. Eh? Neither somebody called from town, I say him dead. Somebody else say him pass away. Eh? Somebody else I say, all kind of story.
But the thing mean the same thing, brother. The man dead.
Me know say him did sickly, man. Then that them for some, man.
All of them
Uncle
were there
Rufus
saying the
think
same
can't
thing,
go,
man.
so,
They
A
all
road
mean
boy
he's
think
dead.
like a deal with, man. A road boy thing like a deal with right now.
Yeah, talk more. You're going like bad man I got Kingston. So we move like with attitude.
Road boy, me say you can't go town and go on them way. Clean off in a back pocket, sitting off your jaw down. And more time activities go on a town and I have all my camera to capture all the settings in a road boy. It's a 36 roll of film like and just put it.
Brother, why you not just use a smartphone, brother?
36.
You don't need it.
I want to tell you too. Like I have all. So I'm a little funny, you know, because then so the hot, you know. By the time
Lion, how you really are going to look so, man? How you really are do?
Yeah, man, wait the man. Make me sip liquor. Sit, man. Cool down my throat, man. No messing around, you know.
What is pan the
Lion
glasses?
got town. A name brand, man. You know see it? A name brand lion wear.
Yeah, man, a real name brand.
Yeah, man.
Real
Name brand, man. When
Yeah,
girls see
100%.
this at town, you know. House key all day, you know. Them can't think so like a catch,
So,
like a
like,
catch, you know.
you don't feel like, say, if you go on like this, man, if you go on like bad man when they got town, the man them now come mash you
No,
up.
I want to tell you, you know. I want to tell you, you know.
It would be better you act like a Rasta or something like that, man.
No, man. Me have to hear where I go on with Uncle Rufus, man.
So you don't need to act
But-
like a
but-
bad man for do that.
But me I tell you right now, you see, lion and the traveling not too grey, you know. So right now, more time my grandmother used to say, better me put look like this in here, so keep my chest warm, so me
How that?
You don't know about all them things, and I want to tell you too. This when you're there town, you have to know where you're doing. You have to have sitting, look puff up your side in a road, boy. So when lion catch sign, me make a boy up and skip because I have the rubber grip on my hip, you know. Fingertip, you know. A boy don't play, you know. A boy don't play. Lion have to hear what happened to Uncle Rufus.
So when the real bad man them step to you when you reach up at Kingston, what
No,
got?
man, them not gonna get no chance, man. I just bark like a bark in
So you look at camera in your pocket and go make the man them run.
No, man, see me, I capture me, I gotta capture events in the road, boy. Road, boy. Yeah, man. They have all one of my little digit phone them, and I not even know where to find it right. Because no boy at town have all this right there. Look like it last, no.
Last, of course, man. Look how them points say big. You think they must last in our pocket,
No,
man?
man, see it, yeah, man. So lion go up there,
Brother, what you talk about, man?
pop off all this.
Nobody
Girls
now use them
get
thing there, no,
crazy.
brother.
Girls them get
Nobody
crazy.
now. Wow, lion.
No messing
they
around
easy
when
still,
lion
you know,
in
man.
town. Lion now act the clown. A boy disrespect and make all a sound. A boy drop all the ground. Lion have to know where I go on with Uncle Rufus right now. And a girl, me a girl.
Lion, I don't know what you talk
Road
about still, you
boy
know, but
thing
you
you
need to
deal
easy, you know, man. Pon the man, people.
Road
Look
boy
pon the man.
thing, Lion a deal with right.
Pon the man. You never
That's
see
it in
somebody
a
look like
pocket.
this?
Newspaper for there. So lion there bus stop away from bus.
You play what this one?
So boy have to tell me lion where I go on. Yeah.
No money, man. You're lying. Go change your clothes, man. I garbage you on.
Yeah.
Garbage you on, brother.
Road boy thing man a daily.
Garbage
Well,
thing you
tell
better
lion
put
where I
man.
go on with Uncle Rufus. Is either in deceased, is either in dead, is either in pass away. You know?
But you can't go to Kingston with them attitude, them man. The man them a go jump you and kill you.
Them a tell me saying gone home. Gone home where? And I wish part in live me lion left him my last time lion see him that in a film home, you know.
It mean
so
him
which
dead.
part then did have him.
Boy,
Then,
like.
cause them
boy.
move him and no make we know then. Them move Uncle Rufus and no make we know. No, nobody no know what happened to
People,
him.
this is why I need the children for go to
Right?
school. Cause
Nobody no know what
I
happened
don't
to him.
understand nothing.
Right? And see it, this is why lion dep on the bus today. Since lion a got Jamal in a lion learn for reading this lion a reading.
What that?
Call Her Majesty the book name, man. Very interesting book lion a read, man.
What's that talking about?
That talk about a young lady experience in her life, man. It give you details of how what she got through, man. So right now, this lion a penetrate. Anytime you see me jump on the bus, there, man, you know the money can buy a mint ball. Oh, me have one here, man. When you travel, you have to have them little thing here in a bad feeling. Come on, pan you.
Yeah.
You this jar, so. But would mind get one ice mint or one
Boy,
jigs
line,
or
you know, the way you move more, I not even know so you can read still, you know, but big up yourself for that
yeah,
still, you know, man.
Man, lion got learn little things, man. You know? Yeah, man.
Go on do your thing, you lying. Me I move so and go up the road, see me,
No,
yeah.
man. So where you say to me now? You better me just calm myself and go down there decent and go here where I go on.
So look how long me I tell you the same thing, man. You can't go to Kingston with them attitude there. The man them go analyze you up there, so man.
No, man. No lies not go on in there, man.
Boy, brother, I don't know if you're listening or not. You're
No
not
lies
listening,
not go
man.
on. Cause you say I'm go up there decent. We get a better response from the people them. So, wait them, man. You may take off this now. Take off them now. Put them out. And then me I go like one Rasta man. Like a Rasta man, no. But me not have my precepts yet. So I was going and say, blessed love my Lord. Blessed love my Empress. You know? Highly blessed. Highly blessed, one and all.
Why
One
not
perfect love.
You lie, me just want to just be yourself and got the people in place, man. Just relax, now, man. Start the nonsense now. Be yourself, man.
But when you got town, man, you can't go up there and go on like pia, you know. People bad you up, man. And that's why I lie on the dust. Down this. Have all my gleaner, you know, rock and come in here. A boy disrespect a death in the arena. Yeah, man, sip up some water, you know.
Come on, yeah, man. Ease yourself there, lion.
Diamond socks, a boy disrespect can get a box. Clarks and a travel fox. Yeah, man.
Boy, lion, I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing,
Alright.
but.
Me I take your advice, man. Me I go change off and look distant and go up there and present myself, man.
Yeah, man, go do that,
And
man,
go hear what
because
I'm to Uncle
we don't want to hear the
Rufus
man them slap out your jelly, so do what you have to do. You see what I say?
Slap out two for jelly. A boy no know so me have a thing for my belly.
What you have, point? Brother, you have
Already,
nothing. I look
man.
at camera, brother. Yo, do your thing, yeah, man. Me a shoot out, and I
Already,
late.
yeah, man.
I late, man.